I'm Quincy Vidrine with the LSU AgCenter, Area Nutrition Agent in the Northeast region.
And I'm Brittney Newsome, Associate Nutrition Agent in Richland and West Carroll Parishes. And today we will be demonstrating a classic chicken pot pie recipe.
Chicken pot pie is a classic all-American comfort food loaded with nutrients. Chicken pot pie is a great way to incorporate several food groups from my plate, ranging from protein and vegetables, by adding a mix of broth.
Canned chicken is an inexpensive and time-saving way to prepare meals that have chicken as the ingredient. This recipe is also a good way to use leftover chicken that you may have in your refrigerator from a different meal.
Making pastry crusts from scratch is simple to do. The key is to use ice cold water and not overwork the dough for the flakiest crust. If time is an issue, you can purchase pie crust dough and line it in your rim baking sheet.
When using flour to make a sauce, be sure to whisk and add your liquid at the same time to prevent any lumps.
To make the filling for the classic chicken pot pie, we're going to melt 5 tablespoons of butter in a large pot over medium-high heat. When the butter is melted, we're going to add in our carrots and onions and cook until softened. This will take about 8 minutes. Next up is the flour. We're going to stir to coat the vegetables. Now we'll slowly add our broth. And we want to whisk it until the sauce is smooth. We're going to bring this mixture to a boil. Then reduce the heat and simmer until the sauce thickens. This will take 5 to 7 minutes. Now we're going to stir in our sweet peas. Then we'll season with salt and pepper. Next, we'll stir in our chicken and parsley. Okay, now we're going to put it all together. We're going to pour our chicken and vegetable mixture into our pie pan. You can also use a regular casserole dish for this. It would work out fine. We're going to move it to a sheet pan. We're going to cook this on the sheet pan in the oven just in case it bubbles over a little bit. And we're going to use our pre-made pie crust that we bought from the grocery store and cover this up. And then just kind of tuck it. Before this goes in our 375-degree oven for 40 minutes, we're going to vent it. So we're going to just make some little slits in that crust. That way some steam can escape and it'll bake nice and even. So here's our finished product, our chicken pot pie, the classic. So Brittney, what would you serve with this at home to make it a complete meal?
I think to complete this meal, a nice fruit salad would pair well with this. You get more added nutrients, more vitamins and minerals. It's definitely a nice juicy fruit salad.
And to round out your My Plate, all your food groups, maybe a glass of milk with this.
Yes, I agree.
So there you have it, our classic chicken pot pie.
Enjoy.